Everybody, welcome to my Canine King channel. Today we are going to discuss about pet nutrition. What is the major requirement differences of dog and cat? That is very important. Kindly see till the end. It is very useful to the dog owners, pet lovers who are rearing dogs, because the main nutrition helps in maintaining good health, and its life longevity also will be increased if you maintain on good diet. So that's why I want to stress again. Please see till the end of this video, because it will be very helpful to you, and you can pass on to somebody who don't know about proper diet. In this video I will show the differences between dog's requirement and human requirement in relation to food. First thing is, we can separate the total animals into three types. Herbivores, carnivores, omnivores. Herbivores means any animal that eats grass, that is called cattle, buffaloes, sheep and goat. They are called herbivores. They won't eat meat. Carnivores means dog, cat who eat meat. Lions, tigers, they are called carnivores. Omnivores means we people, any Indian people or any throughout humans comes under omnivore. We eat both vegetable and non-vegetable. That is called omnivore. These three are the major categories regarding the intake of food. So if we go to the dog's requirement, carbohydrates cannot be digested by dogs because they don't have amylase enzyme. That is why we should not give the carbohydrates. If you are giving the carbohydrates, the dog may eat and become obese, but the survivability lifespan will be curtailed. It will be decreased. So you should keep in mind that you should not feed the dog entirely on carbohydrate diet. It is a fundamental. Next one is, carbohydrates provide 3.5 kilocalories per gram, whereas fats provide 8.5 kilocalories. There are several requirements like macrominerals, microminerals, proteins, vitamins, like that. There are several requirements. Especially cats, if you take cats, they require taurine. This taurine is supplied through non-vegetarian diet, that is meat, fish, eggs only. It cannot be supplied, it will not be available in the vegetarian diet. So if you are maintaining cats, you should provide non-vegetarian diet. If you cannot provide non-vegetarian diet like chicken, meat, you should maintain the cat on commercial cat food, which contains taurine. Taurine is very essential for reproduction, vision and heart function. But if you don't give any non-vegetarian diet to a cat, you are going to kill the dog with the taurine deficiency. You should keep in mind. The biological value in case of egg is very high, that is 100%. It will be under 80% in meat and chicken, and 78% in case of fish. These are the biological values. So one more thing you have to remember, you have to keep in mind is, gluten should not be given to dogs. Gluten causes severe skin allergies. So if you are getting skin allergy, means that is you are giving gluten diet. So you have to avoid that gluten in the food to control all the skin diseases. There are several differences between human and dogs. I will tell you one by one. Number one is, dogs require more than humans in terms of 1.5 times more of vitamin A, 1.5 times more of vitamin D, 2 times more in case of calcium, 2.5 times more of phosphorus. It requires 3.5 times of zinc, 4 times of iodine, 4 times of selenium, 4 times of linoleic acid, 4.5 times of copper. That means when you compare the human requirement and animal dog requirement, these are all figures which are required more in number. So if you don't provide in a homemade diet, they are succumb to diseases, skin diseases, heart problems, all problems will be posed, and their lifespan will be decreased. Especially if we compare with babies, human babies with pups. The requirement, I will tell you the requirement, please note it down. The pups require 3.5 times more of zinc, 4 times of selenium, they will require more than human babies, 4 times of protein than human babies, 9 times of calcium is required for pups. So that much difference and values are very much important in case of pups diet. And also I will tell you, phosphorus requirement is 16.5 times more than babies, and 53 times of iron is required than human babies. And if you take the iodine, it requires more than 130 times. That's why the difference of requirement between human and dogs and cats is very much difference. is there. So I request you all to note down these points. I will give in the text also. It will be very useful and to keep your dog healthy and to increase its lifespan. When you come to the foods that should not be given to dogs and cats is, please note it down. Dogs should not be given chocolates. Chocolates contain theobromine like a chemical, and it should not be given onions and garlic. If you give onions and garlic, it causes severe diarrhea, gastritis and kidney problems. And grapes also should not be given. And xylitol, there is one chemical called xylitol which is used as a sweetener in case of humans. That xylitol is very toxic to dogs and cats. So you should not give these food items to dogs in any form. So kindly note down that these items should not be given to dog. If you are going to give means you are going to kill your pet, either it is dog or cat. So kindly note it down, and it is very so. In the next video, I will try to bring out the cost difference between commercial food and human made food, and how commercial diet is more valuable. I will bring it down. I will inform you. So if you like it, share it, subscribe it, and see that more people are benefited by reaching this video. And if you continue your support by subscribing, I will get more enthusiasm and interest to continue the videos, release the videos regularly which are helpful to you. So thank you very much. Good day.